Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're a coffee fiend who craves that fresh ground aroma every morning but hates the mess of a separate grinder or the bland taste of pre-ground beans, then grab your mug because today we're percolating a total game changer. I'm talking about the GE Profile Smart Grind and Brew coffee maker. This sleek stainless steel beauty is a smart adjustable powerhouse that grinds beans on demand, brews barista quality pots, and even lets you customize everything from strength to temperature via app. You can snag it right now on Amazon using the link in the description, and trust me, it's going to elevate your daily brew from ordinary to outstanding without the hassle. Let's dive in and see why this coffee maker is brewing up buzz in 2025. First, the feature breakdown on the GE Profile Smart Grind and Brew coffee maker. This isn't your average drip machine, it's GE's smart coffee maker designed for coffee lovers who want control and convenience in one unit. At the heart is the built-in conical burr grinder with 8 adjustable grind settings, from coarse for French press to fine for espresso-style brews, ensuring fresh grounds for every pot. It has a 12-cup carafe with a thermal double wall design to keep coffee hot for hours without a hot plate, and a 60-ounce removable water reservoir that's easy to fill and clean. The smart features really shine with Wi-Fi connectivity and the Smart HQ app. You can schedule brews, adjust strength from mild to bold, set temperature from 165 to 195 degrees, and even choose brew size from 2 to 12 cups. The one-touch control panel on the machine has presets for strong coffee, iced coffee, and over-ice brewing to avoid dilution. It uses a bloom cycle to release CO2 for better extraction, and the charcoal water filter reduces impurities for smoother taste. The machine is compact at 13.8 inches wide by 11.5 deep by 15 high, fitting under cabinets with a modern stainless finish that's fingerprint resistant. Inside, the brew basket is BPA-free and removable for easy rinsing, and it includes a reusable gold tone filter to skip paper waste. Setup is straightforward. Fill the reservoir, add beans to the hopper, connect the app, run a rinse cycle, and start brewing. Priced around $299, it's an affordable entry to smart coffee with pro results. Versatility is massive. Brew hot pots for mornings, iced for afternoons, or small batches for solo sips. The app integrates with Alexa for voice commands, and the adjustable settings let you experiment with different roasts or profiles, like a bold dark roast or a light single origin. Now, pros and cons to keep it real. Pros are enormous. The fresh grind delivers cafe-level flavour that's miles better than pre-ground. Smart app control means wake-up-ready pots. The thermal carafe keeps coffee piping without scorching, and users love the customizable strength and temp that nail personal tastes. It's quiet during grinding, energy efficient with auto off, and the large reservoir means fewer refills. The stainless look is premium and cleanup is simple with removable parts. It's a space saver that replaces your grinder and brewer, but no machine's flawless. The main con is the price. At $299, it's a splurge for casual drinkers. The grinder can be a bit loud, the app occasionally glitches on connections, some note the carafe leaks if not handled carefully, and while versatile, it's drip only, no espresso. Overall, pros dominate for daily coffee fans. My recommendation? Absolutely, go for the GE Profile Smart Grind and Brew coffee maker if you want fresh, customizable brews without the work. The pros like on-demand grinding, smart scheduling, and hot-holding carafe make total sense for busy mornings, offices, or flavor chasers. It's not just a coffee maker, it's your wake-up wizard for better starts. Before we wrap, if these reviews perk you up, hit subscribe for more gear tips. Click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing, including special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, like it, share with friends, or subscribe for more. See you next time.